Congratulations, Be Quiet! You finally joined me in the 20-year-olds club, aka the age when you start to wonder if anything you're doing is even worth it and all that youthful optimism is gone. But anyway, to celebrate, they sent me a plethora of stuff. So even though I usually prefer my bribes in cash form, let's open it up. Let's start off with whatever is in here, because this case alone is an awesome gift with that beautiful Be Quiet logo. And it is this? Are these barbecue tools? Wow, okay. I really don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting this. I mean, they look really nice. It's a really awesome carrying case for them as well, so, okay. Off to a very interesting start. Anyway, so I'm assuming this is a bag of some sort, and... Wait, what? This is a chef's apron. Oh my word. There, I'm gonna cook you up some tech videos, mister. Honestly, for the summer, this is all absolutely amazing. Oh yeah. I look pathetic, don't I? But that's not because of the glasses, I just look pathetic all the time. And finally, we have whatever's in here, which I have real high hopes for. I mean, it could be anything at this point. It could be like a steak to go along with the cooking theme. Oh! Oh baby! These are awesome! Look at this, the Be Quiet branded, actually really good screwdriver. And you even get a bottle opener, so you can crack open a cold one when you barbecue with your Be Quiet apron and your Be Quiet barbecue tools. What is going on here? But yeah, I can't wait to use this on the beer I don't even drink. So for now, I'm just gonna put these away into my special Avrona branded tool pouch, which is available in our merch store down in the video description below. Look at it, they fit in perfectly. Now, isn't this a handy thing as well? So Be Quiet, thank you so much. I was not expecting this, but yeah, happy 20th, guys. Enjoy it while it lasts. And one thing I know you will enjoy is checking out our Patreon, which is going to be down in the video description below. Because even just $1 single a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan Elavroniak, LKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Jesse Herbman. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down you're going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember, subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.